को और दिलचस्प बनाने के लिए इंग्लिश में मुकालमा पेश करने के लिए दावत देता हूँ उबैदुल्लाह कानपुरी अक़दस देवबंदी। उबैदुल्लाह कानपुर अक़दस देवबंद ये अपना मुकालमा इंग्लिश में पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
What is up nowadays?
I am a student at Jamiatul Uloom Deoband.
What do you study at Jamiatul Uloom Deoband?
I study religious and modern science at Jamia.
Does your Jamia provide both religious and modern education?
Yes, our Jamia is famous for academic institutes of Islamic and contemporary science.
That's great, MashaAllah. Who is rector your Jamia?
Honorable Mufti Muhammad Ahsan Saab Qazi Nadwi is director of Jamia. He is instructor, teacher, scholar, researcher, jurist, writer, grand of Mufti Darul Group of Deoband.
How many teachers and students in your Jamia?
There are 7 teachers, 150 students in our Jamia.
Can you take care of a wonderful day?
Me to take care of a wonderful day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
माशाअल्लाह बहुत खूब बहुत खूब।